Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to configure STB emulator for most of the Android boxes. So let's go to the app right now. So this is the app. So you'll find this app in most of the Android boxes. You can find it on the net as an APK file as well. You can find it on Google Play Store as well. So we'll open that app. So right now it's not configured. We'll just press menu button on the remote. So most of the Android boxes, they have the menu button as the three lines. You can see it clearly, but it's those three lines. Now you can see it clearly. So those three lines, you just press those three lines, and the drop down menu from top will come on the right side. So we are interested in settings. We'll just press the settings and this will open. So now we'll go down to profile. Once we click on profile, the profile will open. So this one is not configured yet, so it will say new profile. You will just select that one over there. So on the top it says profile name. Here you can put any name. Usually we put the name of the server, whatever it is. So I can put server name here. Just go to the right. In some cases, this cursor will not move because the keyboard will be open at the bottom. So right now I'm not able to move that cursor. So in that case, you just press back button on your remote and the keyboard will go away. Now you can delete it from here. And I used the X button on my remote to delete that, but you can press this and then go to that X button and delete whatever is written. Now I'm going to write down, give it any name. So I'll do XYZ. Okay. So now again I have to get rid of the remote, so I can go to the OK on top. So I'll get rid of the remote and do the down arrow. It's on cancel right now, so it's highlighted. I'm not going to cancel. I'm going to go right, press OK. So now your profile name is set. We'll go to the portal setting, which is very important now. This is right here, portal URL. So this is the URL of the server that is given to you by your service provider. So you'll just go on the right and delete what's written there and leave it till the http:// because that's what you need regardless of whatever the server is. So the server URL, let's say now your service provider has given you XYZ dot whatever. So I'm just going to do XYZ dot. Again, this will be provided by your service provider, so just go back to them and they will give you that, and you have to insert it under portal URL. Once you've done that, again get rid of the keyboard by pressing back button, highlight OK, and now that's done. So now your STB emulator is configured to run. If your service provider has already activated it, then it should be running right now. If it hasn't been activated, so then you go to STB configuration and give them this MAC address. So this is the MAC address that you will provide to your service provider. It starts with 00:1A and so on and goes on. This is different from the MAC address that is written on the box, but this is the actual one that we require to give it to service provider, so don't forget that. And also what I do is send device ID. I check it because sometimes it doesn't load properly. You just have to select send device ID. Okay, once we're done with that, we go back. One more thing, in some cases when you have older Android boxes, you just go to the advanced settings. You'll see that some screens will be really large size. So with that, you just have to do the scaling. You just have to select these two, and they will be automatically scaled to the normal size. Okay, so remember to do that if you have a big screen. So that's it, guys. Your STB emulator is configured to run, and now it will run smoothly. Sometimes if your STB emulator is not loading properly, you just press the menu button again, just go to profile and select it, and it will again try to reload. So since I haven't put down any URL or exact URL which should be running my service, so it's giving me error. And also, not to mention I forgot to mention one thing, is that whenever you see host not found, it could also mean that your URL is incorrect, or you have a connection error with your internet. So please check both things and you'll be fine. Thank you very much, and keep watching our YouTube channel. Have a good day.